So it's back and it's working great. We talk about VPNs quite often, but very rarely we talk about a free VPN. Back in the past, I was involved heavily with AwardVPN. I was amongst it. I was there when it's launched, getting it going. Brilliant VPN, but I couldn't keep it going. I couldn't maintain it. Costs were quite high. Servers were expensive. So I passed it on. It's been passed around. It's been passed on. And it's come back with a new owner. And they've added loads of servers. And it's working amazingly. So I thought I'd share that with you. Before we do that, do make sure you hit that follow button. And remember, AwardVPN is 100% free. You do not pay for anything. And I know people have their concerns about free VPNs. Obviously, they are clear to have those concerns. But this one is a great VPN to use. It always was, but maintaining those servers was the hard part. And it works very well now. So it is available for you from the magnifying glass if you're on your Fire Stick. So it's in the Amazon App Store. It's in the Google Play Store. You can get from either, or you can get from their website. So if you type in here AwardVPN, AwardVPN, you can get it. You'll read here. AwardVPN allows you to get easy access to your favourite sites, la-di-da-di-da, usual VPN stuff. But the actual information on it, let me find the more info. As you scroll down, you'll get your screenshots. The user UI has actually updated a little bit since then. Down here, you've got some good reviews, 5 stars in there. You'll see here, last updated 21st of September 2025. Okay, this is when the new owners have launched an update, more servers, making it work nicely. You can obviously report, you can contact all of those stuff in there. But let's have a look at it and let's see what we've got. So, AwardVPN, I am connected to it. Still has currently its 6-hour pin. So you get a free pin for 6 hours. Then once that runs out, you can get a free pin again. I can show you how to do that in a minute. But remember, that keeps it free. But I've heard a rumour they are considering getting rid of the pin. So we'll see how that pans out over the next couple of months. You've got servers. So we've got many different servers here. We've got best locations at the top. And then you've got all your different servers down the side here. Obviously green lets you know how strong the signal is, the strength. Obviously different countries. We've got United Kingdoms. We've got Americas. Obviously load will make a difference. So if there's a lot of people on certain servers, it will make a difference. So we click best location. We were connected and it's all here for you. You've got your tutorial. You can check for updates within the app. There's remove ads. I'm not sure what they're doing with that because it doesn't seem like there's any ads on the website anymore. So when you connect, you have to get a PIN number. This is how you get a PIN number. You can click go to website. Doesn't really work too well on the Fire Stick. You can open it with the browser. It's just navigation-wise, it's tricky. I go via a web page. So I will go to AwardVPN website via my PC or even via the mobile app. You can get it on your phone. Or the AwardVPN website via your phone. You would then scroll down to get PIN. As you see, there's no adverts on the site anymore. And you scroll down and you wait a little bit and then you can generate the PIN. Okay, so that PIN will generate. And once that generates this PIN here, you can either copy it if you're getting it on your phone, or you just type it in and you type it back in to this bit here on your Fire Stick. Obviously, I'm connected at the minute. There we go, disconnected, but I'm going to connect because I've got a PIN registered in at the moment, okay? So it's connecting, disconnecting. If you have any issues, make sure you're not running any other VPNs or anything like that while you're testing it. And it's there for you to use. Let me just, let me go to my apps. Let me just show you the PIN. Let me just show you the PIN installation working. So let me find AwardVPN. AwardVPN. Let's force stop it and let's clear data, just reset it. That should give me the option now that I can re-enter a PIN. Let me just let that load up. Okay, so now we're loaded up. Click to connect. There we go. And this is the screen you would get where you can enter that PIN we just done. So the PIN was WF P8B. Next, connect to VPN. And there we go. We are connected. It will pop up with the usual, you are making a VPN connection. And then when your timer runs out, you just have to go back and get another PIN. No cost to you, no cost to anybody. well, obviously the person who owns the servers, and they're obviously trying to rebuild it. They'll probably integrate ads back into it. I'm not sure what their plan is, but they obviously want to get the user base back up, because obviously where it's been offline and the servers haven't been that strong for a while, obviously I'm sure they probably lost a few. So here we go. Get yourselves on that. Get on it. It's free to use. It's in your app stores. Check it out. And hopefully that's useful for you. Obviously, there's other options out there if you don't want that free VPN, but those ask for free VPNs all the time, and that's the only one I will recommend.